If your Gmail account has been restricted, you can appeal the decision to regain access. Follow these steps to submit your appeal effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all relevant information regarding your account, including your email address, any error messages you received, and the reason provided for the restriction. Step 2. Visit the Gmail Help Center. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Fill out the appeal form. Locate the appeal form provided by Google. Carefully fill out all required fields, ensuring that you provide accurate and detailed information about your account and the situation. Step 4. Submit additional evidence. If applicable, include any additional evidence that supports your case. This could be screenshots, emails, or any other documentation that may help clarify the situation. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your appeal, be patient and wait for a response from Google. This process may take some time, so check your email regularly for updates regarding your account status. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your Gmail account restriction. Good luck, and hopefully you will regain access soon.